Insular art is an art form dating back to the post-Roman era of Great Britain and Ireland. The term derives from the Latin word for island, because at this time, Britain and Ireland shared a similar artistic style, which was different from the rest of Europe. Most insular art originates from the Irish monasteries of Celtic Christianity and begins around the 6th century with the combining of Celtic and Anglo-Saxon styles. One major distinctive feature is interlaced decoration, which you may have heard referred to as the Celtic knot. We start with a walnut blank, 2 1/4 by 2 1/4 by 22 inches, and 2 strips from which the inserts will be cut. The strips are 2 1/4 by 3/8 by 24 inches and comprised of a strip of walnut sandwiched between 2 strips of maple. The cuts for the inserts will be at 24 degrees. The first cut will be 2 1/2 inches from the end. This jig is used to cut the ends of the inserts to the same 24 degrees as the cut on the blank. Glue is applied, and then the pieces are clamped. This is the blank after the first insert is complete. The second and all subsequent cuts will be made by rotating the blank 90 degrees and cutting halfway forward of the previous cut. For all these cuts, a portion equal to the thickness of the insert will be removed in order to keep previous inserts lined up. Lathe work begins. rolling pin is roughed out and sanding begins. Sanding starts with 60 grit, then 80 grit, 120 grit, 180 grit, 220 grit, and finally 280 grit. Once sanding has been completed, decorative aluminum ends are added and the rolling pin is finished with mineral oil. Woodworking can be dangerous and should be limited to persons with the skill and proper understanding of the safety requirements needed to use the tools involved. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to see the rest of our Celtic Knot series. Bye for now.